The following is a brief tutorial on locating articles using the OneSearch tool. Today, we will review the following topics. What is OneSearch? Understanding the user interface, formulating search terms, we will run through a sample search, how to refine your results, and a quick review of what we've learned. What is OneSearch? The OneSearch system is used across all 23 CSU campuses and can be used to locate resources available through other campuses in the system. It is a Google-like search tool for finding resources available through the OVIAT library. Unlike your library's other search tools, OneSearch searches across different materials such as books, articles, videos, and more using a single consolidated search box. You do not need to specify a journal name, subject, material type, etc., but you do have the option of narrowing your results with different preset filters such as data, media type, and in-person resources available at the OVIAT library. OneSearch is a good way to begin your research, especially if you do not know what you're looking for or if you are still formulating your research question. So let's have a look at the interface. You can start at your library's website, which is library.csun.edu. And OneSearch is located at the very top right-hand side of the page, so right here in this gray box. And this is basically it. It's a search box and a search button. And just for reference, let's head over to Google. And it's a very similar interface. It's a simple search box and a search button. Now for a few helpful hints on formulating your search terms. First, you should probably start by creating a list of search terms and modify your search terms as you learn from your searches. You can enter search words and phrases rather than entire questions. If you receive too many or too few results, you can always modify or refine your search. And by enclosing your search term in quotation marks, the search engine will search the exact phrase, but no more or less than specified. Also, you may use an asterisk or a star, which is this symbol right here, before or after a root word, and it will search for that root and variations of the root, such as plurals, different tenses, etc.
The scenario we are using in the sample search is only an example, and you will tailor your search to your own needs. In this scenario, we need to gather initial research for a research paper. The paper calls for peer-reviewed articles published within the last 5 years on the topic of operant conditioning. The term is related to a psychology concept called reinforcement. So now let's give it a try. Returning to our browser, let's head over to the OneSearch box, this gray box on the side, and let's enter the term operant conditioning in quotation marks, just to limit it, and click the search button. So that resulted in 22,000 plus results, and that's just a little bit too many to handle right now. So let's use these preset filters to refine our results. The filters are located in the gray box on the left-hand side of the screen. And notice that the default sort is by relevance, but you can also sort by date, by author, or title using the drop-down box. So if you recall, we needed peer-reviewed articles, so let's select those two things. We can click Show More to see all of the topics and narrow it to our topic, which is reinforcement. We can also limit the date to a specified range, so in this case 5 years. And there are other filters available, but that's all for now, and be sure to click the green Apply Filters button. And now we're down to 830 results, and that's a little bit more manageable. And just looking at the titles and the descriptions of these results, we can see they're relevant to what we need. And over on the right-hand side, you have some additional options to create a citation, to email the article, or to save it if you're logged in. Let's review. OneSearch can be found at library.csun.edu. It is the same tool used across all 23 CSU campuses, including CSUN's OVIAT library. It is the consolidated search tool that searches across different library media simultaneously. It uses preset filters and special search characters such as quotation marks and asterisks to further refine searches. And the filters appear in the gray box on the left, but make sure to always click the green Apply Filters button. Thank you for watching.